Good day everyone. I am Ronico Rim Adel with my groupmate Ronico Dale Matuji, and we are here to present Indonesian policing system. Indonesia is the world's largest archipelago composing 17,440 islands over 1,919,440 kilometers between the Indian and North Pacific Oceans. Its population is estimated at 240 million. It was a Dutch colony that was occupied by the Japanese during World War II. After the war, a strong independence movement finally succeeded in gaining independence from the Netherlands in 1949. Ito ay isang kolonya ng Dutch na sinakop ng mga Hapon noong ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig. Pagkatapos ng digmaan, isang malakas na kilusan para sa kalayaan ang nagtagumpay sa pagkakaroon ng kalayaan mula sa Netherlands noong 1949. Siya nga pala si Said Sukanto Tjokrodjatmodjo. Siya nga pala ang first Chief of National Police of Indonesia. Siya ay nahalal noong September 29, 1945 hanggang December 14, 1959. Siya ay pinanganak sa Buitenzorg, Dutch East Indies noong June 7, 1908. At siya ay namatay sa Jakarta, Indonesia noong August 24, 1993 sa edad na 85. Indonesian National Police or Policy Republic Indonesia as Polri. From the 1960s until 1998 was a branch of the armed forces, reporting to the Ministry of Defense until it was separated from the military in 1999. Simula noong 1960s hanggang 1998 ay siya ay isang sangay ng armed forces at siya ay nahiwalay sa armed forces noong 1999. Since 1945, Indonesia's National Police Organization has been a national force financed, directed, and organized by the central government. The strength of the National Police Force in 1992 was around 180,000. Its main duties were to maintain public order and security. Like the other armed services, the police considered themselves to be a social force active in national development, and therefore, they participated in the Armed Services Commissions. Presently, the Polri is a centralized national bureaucracy directly under the office of the President. It is headed by the Chief of Indonesian National Police with the rank of General, who is assisted by subordinate commanders deployed in formulation and throughout the country. Sinasabi dito na ang Indonesian National Police ay isang centralized national bureaucracy na under ng presidente. At siya ay pinapanguna ng Chief of Indonesian National Police na tinutulungan ng kanyang mga subordinate commanders na nakadeployed sa bawat sulok ng bansa. Geographically, it is divided into regional commands called POLDA, which reported to territorial headquarters. The poldas are further subdivided into districts called pols, sub-districts called polsek, community police office called polmas, in the village levels. The capital Jakarta, however, has its own districts with subdivisions into precincts, sections, and police posts. The organization in the Indonesia are Polri, or Indonesian National Police, Polda as provincial police, Polwil as regional police, Polres as city or regency police, Polsek as sub-district police, Polpos as police post. Other details are Marka Besar or Mabes. It is name of headquarters and it locates at Kebayoran Baru, South Jakarta. And the other one is Pasukan Anti-Huru-Hara. It means anti-riot of Polri. Operationally, it is divided into departments for intelligence and security or Intelpam, criminal investigation or research, patrol or Samapta, traffic means Lantas, and community guidance means BIMAS. These units are enforced by Air, Marine, a paramilitary unit or BRIMAB, and technical services. One of the biggest subdivision is BRIMAB, or Indonesian Police Mobile Brigade, or Brigade Mobile, a paramilitary unit that acts as an elite emergency squad for situations requiring large numbers under a cohesive command such as crowd and riot control. Ito nga pala yung mga nagpapatigil sa mga nasa kulungan na magugulo at maiingay. Kesatuan or Special Units. BRIMAB or Mobile Brigade, it means BIP Security. Polisiya Udara, it means Air Police. Policy Perairan, it means Marine Police. Detachment 88 means Counter-Error.
Hello, I'm Dale Macho Gioronico. Ito nga po pala ang qualification ng recruitment ng Indonesian Police System. Entry age with the Polri is 18 years old up and retirement is 45, which may be extended up to 58. They are required to be at least high school graduate or college graduate and must be undergo 11 months of training. Police volunteers, male, at least a 6 months grade education, pass of competitive examination, physical fit, good moral character, after 3 service as ordinary police personnel with junior, secondary, school diplomas could enter training to become National Commission Officer or NCO. Qualification naman ng female must be 17.5 to 22 years old, high school graduate, unmarried, God-fearing, at least 65 inches tall. They must be virgin. One aspect of policing that has taken into account the decentralization of the police is recruitment of police to serve in their home areas or to the officers above the rank of lieutenant may not have the choice over they are deployed. Ang pagpupulis ay parang maglilingkod sa kanilang lugar at sa kanilang tahanan ang opisyal. Ang opisyal naman ay wala silang karapatan mamili kung saan nila gusto magpa-deploy. Polri was a police to population ratio of around 1 police officer to 526 civilians and adopted a Dutch-style ranking system. Ang isang police officer hanggang 526 na civilian, sila ang nagpapatibay ng Dutch-style ranking system. At ito naman ang Indonesian Police Ranking. High Ranking Officer, Police General or Herald Policy equivalent of PNP Director General, Police Commissioner General or Commissaries General Policy equivalent of PNP Deputy Director General, Police Inspector General or Inspector General Policy equivalent of PNP Director, Police Brigadier General or Brigadier General Policy equivalent of PNP Chief Superintendent. Mid-ranks Officer, Police Senior Commissioner or Commissaries Besar Policy equivalent of PNP Senior Superintendent, Police Adjunct Senior Commissioner, Adjunct Commissaries Besar Policy or equivalent of PNP Superintendent, Police Commissioner or Commissaries Policy equivalent of PNP Chief Inspector. Low ranks of officer, Police Adjunct Commissioner, Adjunct or Commissary or Adjunct Commissar Policy equivalent of PNP Senior Inspector. First Police Inspector, Inspector Policy 1, equivalent of PNP Inspector or first lieutenant in Philippine Army. Second police inspector or inspector policy 2 or IPDA, equivalent of second lieutenant in the Philippine Army. There is only one grade of lieutenant in Philippine National Police and it is called inspector. Warrant office. First police, adjunct inspector or ahon inspector policy sa 2 or I2, equivalent of chief warrant officer. Second adjunct inspector or adjunct inspector policy 2 or IPDA, equivalent of warrant officer. There is only one grade of lieutenant in the Philippine National Police and it is called inspector. Non-commissioned officer. Chief Police Brigadier or Brigadier Policy Kepala or BRIPKA, equivalent of Sergeant Major. Police Brigadier or Brigadier Policy or Brigadar, equivalent Chief Sergeant. First Police Brigadier or Brigadier Policy sa 2 or Brief 2, equivalent per Sergeant. Second Police Brigadier or Brigadier Policy 2 or Brief da, equivalent Second Sergeant Enlistment. Police Brigadier Adjutant or Adjunct Brigadier Policy or a Brief, equivalent of Chief Corporal. First Police Brigadier Adjutant or Adjunct Brigadier Policy sa 2 or a Brief 2, equivalent of Corporal. Second Police Brigadier Adjutant or Adjunct Brigadier Policy 2 or a Brief da, equivalent of Lance Corporal. Chief Agent Bahayangkara Kepala or Barakara, equivalent Chief Private. First Agent or Bahayangkara sa 2 Barato, equivalent of Private First Class. Second Agent Bahayangkara 2 or Brada, equivalent of Private. There is only 7 rank level in Philippine National Police for enlisted personnel. There is 10 rank level of enlisted personnel in the Indonesian Police. Conclusion naman, we therefore conclude that Indonesian policing system is to ensure the maintenance of security and public order throughout the territory of Indonesian and also to protect, nurture, and serve the nation. And thank you for listening. We hope that you have understood our topic.